Okay, everybody, let's do something here in this Maidani Jung. This is the jung for speaking, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, speaking has two things. Speak plus king is equal to speaking. Speak plus king is equal to speaking. Your speaking can make you king. So the more you speak, the better you speak, the better and the more stronger and the stronger you become king, guys. So let's have speaking today to become the king today. So are you ready to become king? Yes. Yes. How will you become king? You're queen, right?
I will
act like a king.
I will act like a king.
Okay. You want to become Rani or Raja?
I want to position like a Raja.
You want to have position like Raja? Then you have to play in front of Baja. Alright. By the way, guys, so what we are going to do, first of all, clap for yourself, guys. Alright. So first what we are going to do is, guys, I will be having one alphabetical talks, guys. I will be having some alphabet letters for you. Whatever comes in your mind, the topic, you simply have to speak by going to the people. For example, if I say A, so you have to think a topic comes with A. Like A can be Apple, A can be Aam Aadmi Party, A can be Andhra Pradesh, A can be anything. Right, so you have to think a topic and continue speaking by looking into the eyes of the people like me, guys. So are you ready?
Yes, yes.
So A to Z letters, we have so many words, right? So do not think so many topics right now. I'm gonna have one letter, and if you think that you can think, then think and come here and speak anything. Let's welcome, I don't know, who can speak by the letter of M. 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 M.
महाराष्ट्र.
Speak about Maharashtra.
मतलब और ज़्यादा कितना बोलना है?
प्यारी फंस गई. अरे महाराज, सिर्फ टॉपिक थोड़ी बोलना, उस पे एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए.
ओह सर, आई डोंट नो.
आप चलिए, अब फंस गए, क्या कर सकते हैं?
मदर पे बोल दे. यम फॉर मदर.
ये आपके दिमाग महाराष्ट्र आया तो महाराष्ट्र ही बोलना.
Maharashtra is very big city of India. Oh, state. Maharashtra is very big state of India, and all financial decision. Sir, नहीं. All financial decision होता है. Is taken from Maharashtra.
My God.
And Maharashtra state is very big of business, and all village people go there and earn money. In Maharashtra, all Hollywood actors live in Maharashtra, and all.
Alrighty, very nice, guys.
Yes,
See, don't have becharapan while speaking, buddy. Don't be innocent. Be like a king, come on. Now who next? Let me invite with the letter of P.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to talk about on the letter of P. P. So I would like to take the letter.
Come on, yes.
P.
Yes.
Potato.
Yes.
I want to talk about potato. You all know that potato. I hope that everybody use potato each day. I would not call it. I'm not sure that you all used to potato each day, but this is a very good vegetable for you all. Vegetable for you all. If you want to be healthy, then we need to take potato in breakfast as well. After we can take that raw as well as after frying that potato. And potato is very good for everyone and comfortable vegetable for everyone, because you know nowadays people are dying hungry and people are not able to survive properly.
Very nice.
But
Everybody needs to speak 1 minute only, guys, right? Don't make it lengthy. And the topic which comes in your mind to speak, don't speak what actually it is. Try to have motivation with that topic. Like you were talking about potato. You can relate it to the real life. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, don't be a potato, because potato is very common thing everybody has. So you should not become common person, right? I mean, relate that thing with anything, right? Now let's go for the next one. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
100%?
No, sir.
Do you want to? Do you want to come in Maidani Jang?
Sir, after Hafiz.
After Hafiz ji? Thank you. After Hafiz ji. दोनों आइए. You both come. All right, so your name is Abdul, right?
Yes, sir.
And your name is Osama.
Yes, sir.
So tell me that, have you ever gone into jung?
क्या करें?
क्या करें? आप यही मुर्गा बना देंगे. हाँ, exactly. So you have to speak about K.
Okay.
K. K.
King,
K.
king,
हाँ, speak.
king. If you are feeling king,
अरे tell people, go to people. Go.
if you are feeling king, then you realize only you are king. Because if you feel a king, then so change king. I want to change king.
No, you cannot change king. Speak about king.
King. First of all, when you try to king,
When you trying to become king.
when you try to become king, then you will struggle in our life.
In our life?
In our life.
You have to struggle in your life. You have to struggle in your life.
You have to struggle in our life. Then
Your life.
in your life, then we one day, if you feel king,
One day you can become king.
you can become a king.
Exactly.
Yes.
Your English बहुत बढ़िया है. K.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Osama. I am from Jaunpur. I am a student of Wiltag Institute.
That's great. Thank you for telling me that.
Thank you for asking me the opportunity to introduce about myself. About self. About K.
K. About
K.
K. Yes.
K. Capsar. Capsar is the very strong personality.
Oh my goodness.
Capsar teaches us
Yes.
if you want to go ahead, so you can good education. Capsar tell us if you want to go ahead, so you hard work, more hard work.
कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है.
Capsar teaches us कि we respect other people. We should respect other people.
The point is that, ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. On the spot, you have to build this capability of speaking, guys. अरे भैया, थोड़ा सोचने पर मजबूर हो जाओ मेरे भाई. बहुत शुड कैन में माइट से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Try to really make yourself that much capable to think. Try to be manipulator. Try to, switch the point on the spot. Try to be instant communicator. Because that shows your aptitude, and that aptitude builds your attitude, and everybody will have gratitude for you in future, and you will touch the altitude in future. So please build that aptitude first of all, right? If you do not have aptitude, you will not have better attitude, and if you do not have better attitude, people will not have gratitude for you, and you will never be able to touch the altitude. Do you know the altitude means? Altitude means ऊंचाई, of course. So for that altitude, build that aptitude. So are you ready to build that? Yes, come on, hello. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Really?
Yes, sir.
My goodness, your mustache looks like, my goodness. Who has, told you to have like this? You're fan of?
No, sir.
Huh? You're fan of?
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar doesn't have mustache.
But sir, Rowdy Rathod.
Oh my goodness. Hi, how are you?
Sam.
Cap sir has beaten you outside.
No, sir.
So who has been beaten?
No one.
No one. You don't know that. Shanli has been beaten. Where is your sister?
There.
How can I beat? You have been beaten actually. Oh, yes. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You have come. How did you feel?
I want to again.
All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, F, come on! F, hurry up! सबसे बड़ी चालाकी पता है क्या? कोई भी लेटर आपको मिले आप तैयार हो जाओ, उसके बाद पहले फंसाओ. ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू सो मच. ये सब बोलते बोलते इंट्रोडक्शन तक जाते जाते एफ तक सोच लो. सबसे अच्छा जैसे ये किए थे. एफ.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Thank you for having me.
Go to people.
Thank you for having me in this opportunity.
In this opportunity? Thank you for having me this opportunity.
Thank you for having me this opportunity.
Yes.
My name is Ehsan Ahmed.
Yes.
I am from Azamgarh.
Yes.
I am fine.
अरे बात मत करिए आप, बोलिए. Yes.
In this
इन
time,
लोगों को देखो. Yes.
in this time for learning English.
Yes.
After that, I will go other country.
I will go other country. तो F से क्या मामला है इसमें?
Future.
अच्छा फ्यूचर बोल रहे हैं. हाँ. चलिए जल्दी हाँ.
After that, I will go to other country.
हाँ. And
I will go do job 4 years.
Yes.
After that, I will do business.
And I will make my future.
I will make my future.
Yes. Yes. So guys, I want to say that
So guys, I want to say that
future is very important.
future is very important.
So be worried about your future.
Be very
इनको देखिए. ना देख भाई. तो कान ना देख भाई. अरे काहे नहीं देखी यार. देखा. अरे आपकी दीदी है, कोई दिक्कत. चलो. हाँ. करना देख भाई. अरे भाई दीदी है. Yes. You talk to him.
Hi.
हाथ नहीं मिलाना है. Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
और ये मुरी अल्लाह. धक. Junaid, touch his heart.
Yes.
और ये, why are you crying? He is crying. हाँ, talk to her.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Gazipur.
और कुछ पूछो. कि मैम, how can I speak English like you?
Ma'am, how can I speak English?
How can I speak English like you? बोलिए. हालत खराब कर दे. डेली आप लोग बाइक पे घूम रहे हो सिर्फ. बोलो इसे, मुझसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? आइए अच्छा इनसे बात करिए. How can I? बोलो मेरे भाई दीदी है. You cannot. सिर्फ how are you बोलना है.
How are you?
बोलिए where are you from?
Where are you from?
I want to say that
I want to say that
I want to speak English like you.
I want to speak like English like you.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Very nice. अच्छे से बात कर लिए. So what do you think? Your future is bright or not? Your
Yes.
future is bright or not?
Bright.
खुल के बोलो जी. Your future is bright or not?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
In which country will you go?
I will country Dubai.
Dubai. So why Dubai? मुझसे बात करो किसी से नहीं. Why will you go? हाँ.
Very famous.
Dubai is very famous. But Dubai is not country. Do you know?
I don't tax
I don't tax.
Dubai.
अच्छा, you want to say you don't have to pay tax.
Yes.
So Dubai, you will go. It is country or city?
Country.
It is not country.
City.
City. So where is Dubai?
I like Dubai.
I'm asking where is Dubai?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. मैं पूछ रहा था ना सिंपल क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज दुबई? दुबई कहाँ है? तो क्या कहेंगे आप? हाँ, आंगन में?
अरब में.
अरब में बहुत सारे देश हैं. हाँ, यूएई में है ना. तो फिर कोई पूछ लेगा दुबई वेयर इज इंडिया, बोल देना इन पाकिस्तान.
नहीं.
वेयर इज इंडिया? टेल मी, वेयर इज इंडिया? यूरोप और एशिया? यूरोप,
एशिया.
एशिया में. चलो ठीक, कोई बात. सिट डाउन. थोड़ा चालाक बनिए, ठीक. डर रहता है, जहाँ से आप आते हैं वहीं से हम भी आते हैं. डर रहता है, बट कोई नहीं. डर को एहसास मत होने दो कि आपको डर है. एग्जैक्टली जिस दिन डर को एहसास हो जाए आपको डर है, उस दिन आप बेघर हो जाएंगे. एग्जैक्टली. कम ऑन, किस बात का डर? जितनी रोटी वो खाती है उतनी रोटी आप खाते हैं. जितनी परवरिश उनकी हुई उतनी परवरिश आपकी हुई है. आप ज्यादा खाती हैं. कितनी खाती हैं आप? हाउ मेनी chapatis? He also eats 3 chapatis actually. How many chapatis do you eat? हाँ, ये क्या है जी? I eat. अरे ठीक. By the way, let's go to the next person. Excuse me, come on. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Z.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Hurry up, come on.
Do you know, today I get award. I got award, and that award is J.
J नहीं, Z.
Z. Sorry.
जल्दी.
Z is a word. We know.
Go to people.
Yes, sir.
Z. Come on, Zomato. Yeah.
Zoom.
बोलो.
Wait, sir. Zero. It's word. Sorry.
बोलो.
Forgive me, sir, please.
Forgive me कैसे? मुर्गा बनिए.
Sir.
बोलना पड़ेगा. Z से टॉपिक नहीं आ रही है. हम दे रहे. जोमेटो बोलो.
Zomato. You can take anything from Zomato.
Yes.
Anything. And Zomato is the app. It is very famous. It is not only our India but also whole world.
Yes.
So that's why when whatever you want, you can take from this app.
Of course, yes. Very nice. Yes.
And we know that it is very.
कोई बात नहीं. कोई अरे ये क्या, इसकी क्या जरूरत है? इसकी क्या जरूरत है?
I don't know, sir.
नहीं हो पा रहा सर, सॉरी, I cannot do it. बस खत्म. एकदम ये क्या हो जाता है?
नहीं सर.
नहीं ठीक है, एकदम नहीं, प्रोफेशनल हो भाई. कोई नहीं, प्लीज. I will give up. I will never give up. नहीं ठीक. वही सब कराने के लिए खड़ा कराया जा रहा है, बुलवाया जा रहा है, खुराफात सोचा जा रहा है, यही सबसे निकालने के लिए. गिव अप कैसे हो जा रहा है फालतू का? जैसे लग रहा है कि बॉर्डर पे आके खड़े हैं, गिव अप हो रहा है. नहीं, बॉर्डर पे भी गिव अप नहीं होता है. ऑलराइट, एक आइए पहले इमिटेशन करते हैं गाइस. आप लोग बहुत डर रहे हो यार, बहुत. कुछ लोग हैं जो कॉन्फिडेंट ऑलरेडी हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट हियर. इज देयर एनीबॉडी हु वांट्स टू डू इमिटेशन ऑफ माइन? Whatever I will do, you have to do with me. Yes. Right? Who wants to do? Yes, sir. Who wants to do? My goodness. Okay, come Hapidji. You are more excited?
Yes.
All right. See, however I'm gonna do, you have to do, okay? Yes. All right. All right, everybody.
All right, everybody.
Today, let me tell you.
Let me tell you.
Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
मैंने सुना था कि लोग कहते हैं मैं मुस्कुराता बहुत, लेकिन मैं थक गया उस दर्द को छिपाते छिपाते. So ladies and gentlemen, don't let anybody feel your pain.
Let anybody feel that.
Don't let anybody feel your pain.
Don't anybody feel.
Nobody should
Nobody should
feel your pain.
feel your pain.
Your pain is your pain.
Your pain is your pain.
You should understand your pain.
You should understand your pain.
Because
You can
understand yourself.
understand
The
yourself.
word I get,
The word you get,
that is all about pain.
that is all about
Arey
pain.
sir, do you have pain?
Arey sir, do you have pain?
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 Arey, maybe everybody has pain.
Arey, maybe everybody has pain.
Pain is one of the best thing.
Pain is the
One of the best thing.
one of the best thing
Because
because
pain is plain.
pain is plain.
Pain is plain.
Pain is plain.
If you sit in this pain and plain,
If you sit in this plain pain,
you can fly for anywhere.
you can fly for
You
everywhere.
can fly for anywhere.
You can fly for
Hey
everywhere.
dear,
Hey dear,
hey dear,
hey dear,
you are near me.
you are near me.
So
So
I want to say that
I wanna say that
whatever you are,
whatever you are,
you are.
you are.
You are.
You are.
Arey, be yourself.
Arey, be yourself.
Don't be anybody.
Don't be anybody.
Because you are enough in yourself.
Because anybody enough yourself.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ऐसे थोड़ा जज्बाती होके बोलिए सुजीत.
Yes sir.
The letter for you is C.
See.
Hurry up. एकदम जज्बाती होके.
Yes sir. Hello ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Today is an impromptu talk.
Yes.
Yes, I am just going to talk on the letter of the C.
Yeah.
C means confidence.
Wow.
Confidence make you better for your life,
Yes. Yes.
for your betterment, for your future.
Yes.
Sir, are you confident? Are you confident? Yes, you are not confident. If you want to become a confident, so firstly you have to talk like me, not like me.
जबरदस्त.
Confidence make you perfect.
Yes.
If you want to become perfect,
Yes.
to do
Yes.
day by day hard work.
Yes.
Day by day, you give your potential.
Yes.
After that, you will grow day by day.
Yes.
And ladies and gentlemen, being a confident, you can speak everywhere. You can speak in auditorium. You can speak in the front of the millions of the people. If you are not confident, you are zero. You are nothing. So firstly, whatever you want to do your life, firstly you have to become a confident. Being a
Yes.
confident, you can do everything.
Yes.
Why are you losing yourself? Why are you not becoming a perfect man? Why are you not becoming a confident person? Why each and every person is hiding? Why? Why you came here for the English language and you are not confident? Where is your identity? I'm asking you, sir. I'm asking you. You came here, you are not saying you are not confident. Being a confident, if you in every field, I'm not talking about only the language. I'm not talking only about the English language. Any field, confidence is matter, sir. Confidence is matter. If you want to become a hawker, become a salesman, firstly confidence is matter, sir. Without confidence, you cannot do anything, sir. Confidence is matter.
No,
It
it's not
matters.
important.
Confidence is important.
Skill is important.
Skill, no, sir.
No.
If you, sir, skill is important.
Skill is important.
Firstly, you have to. Sir,
Knowledge is important.
Sir, knowledge is important. Firstly, you have to build up your confidence. Confidence.
If
then,
I am knowledgeable,
Sir.
I will have confidence.
sir, you are not. All the things is okay.
Yes.
But sir, knowledge is secondary. Confidence is primary.
Knowledge is primary.
No, sir. Confidence is primary.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Tell people why.
Sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you becoming confident or not? So, being a confident man, you can speak like me.
Yes.
Sir, are you confident?
Yes, yes.
You are not confident.
Yes.
So, my dear and
I'm
sisters.
pretty sure she can show the confidence.
Yes, sir.
Can you show the confidence? Tell why confidence is important. Go. Go live your life. Go. Why confidence is important?
Confidence.
Tell people. Go. Confidence.
Confidence is very important because when we are going to speak, we get afraid and we forget everything. When something was going to speak, we forget it. If confidence doesn't you in our so you can't present yourself in front of others. Just because confidence is very important.
Exactly, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very nice, very nice.
Many times life gives us many challenges. Sometimes we feel we are not good enough, we are not perfect, and we are not confident. That's why we don't do anything in our life. If we are not represent ourselves in front of others, we don't do anything.
Yeah, we cannot do anything. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Every successful person starts. Every successful person was first a beginner.
Yes.
And he fell down 100 times, but he stand up
He stood
101
up, yeah.
times, and
Yeah.
he speak.
He spoke.
He spoke.
That's why he became.
That's why he became. That's why he became a successful person in their life.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Fantastic, fantastic. एकदम दिल खोल के बोलिए ऐसे आप लोग. Come on. A B C D E F G I K L L L. Atisha, L please go. L L L L. Come on, you can do it. पहले greet करिए. Hi guys, my name is Atisha and today I'm going to talk about.
Hi guys, my name is Atisha Jain.
हाथ वगैरह थोड़ा निकालिए.
I'm gonna talk about the word L.
हाँ.
And
So Atisha, do you think any word comes in your mind with L? There are so many words actually. You should think.
leader.
Leader. Come on, speak about leader, Atisha. Come on.
So if you want to become a leader, you first need to build confidence in yourself. And if you are not confident, then you can't be a perfect leader.
Exactly. So first build the confidence, guys. Build the confidence.
First build the confidence in yourself and
Yes.
become a then you will become a successful leader in your life.
Exactly.
And leader is that key.
Yeah. Come on. So Atisha, please tell me, are you leader or not? Are you leader? Are you leader or not? You're not leader. You are leader of this group today. See, you are among the people. You are leader, right? Okay. Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
ऐसे करिए थोड़ा सा. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
I'm a leader today.
I'm leader today
Because
because
I am reader.
I'm reader.
I'm reader.
I'm reader.
That's why I'm leader.
That's why I'm leader.
So guys,
So guys,
first be a good reader
first be a good reader
to become leader.
to become a leader.
So ladies and gentlemen,
So ladies and gentlemen,
be a good reader.
be a good
Be
reader.
a good reader. चलो ठीक है. थोड़ा जल्दी जाइएगा आप. बहुत आराम से नहीं जाएंगे. जल्दी जाएंगे. ठीक है. वापस आइए आप. थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस से आएंगे. हाँ. वेरी नाइस. आपको जाके उनसे हाथ मिलाना है. कुलदीप नाम उनका. उनसे थोड़ा हाल चाल लेना. जाइए. थोड़ा जल्दी जाएंगे. हाँ कुलदीप. Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about
So,
you,
I'm fine. From where are you?
sir? I'm from Sajapur.
Oh.
What about you, sir?
I'm from Lucknow only.
Oh, Lucknow. So what do you know about Lucknow? Unique thing. Can you tell me the unique thing of Lucknow?
Unique thing about Lucknow,
Yeah.
the hospitality of Lucknow,
Oh.
and in Hindi we say Mehman Nawazi of Lucknow.
All right, Atisha, come to me, shake hand with me. But go. आपका शोल्डर ऐसे हो जाता है. थोड़ा उठाइए ऊपर. नहीं ऐसे नहीं कर लेना. हल्का सा ऊपर होगा. ठीक. Come. Hi Atisha.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good.
Everything's machama.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Where do you live in Lucknow?
In Charbagh.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Come on. Let's enjoy today. Can we go anywhere today?
You tell where you.
Let's go to club and dance today.
Okay.
Can you dance with me?
Yeah.
Come on. Mere ras ke kamar. Can you dance right now?
No, right now I can't dance.
So, in club, how can we dance?
In club, there's loud music.
Can you play DJ here right now? Please stand. Very nice, very nice. All right, guys. कुछ लोग थक रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Are you tired, guys? Are you tired? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. MNOPQRS. Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Why did fish handshake? Is everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Do like this.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Where do you live?
I live in Mahanagar.
Can you speak in front of people?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's great. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Can you please speak among the people?
I will try my best.
Please! Why? 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 Start! And go to people, please.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir, for having me this golden opportunity. Speaking on the letter Y, and Y is a very important thing
Of course it is.
because it represents the youth of the nation.
Oh.
I think for any country, the youth is very important generation because whatever the development country will do, it's only depend on the youth, and so upbringing of a youth and development of the youth should be done by the government, because if, for example, look, if you take example other development.
Look into the eyes of people.
Take example of the developed country. Their youth is very developed. Their mindset is very developed. In India, the youth is not working on their self.
I am going to tell about money. Money is everything in this world. If you have money, you can purchase each and everything of this world.
Yes.
You can live wherever you want to live.
Yes.
You can explore yourself. If you want to explore whole world.
Yes.
If you have money, you are able to explore whole world, and by this way, you can meet different people like foreign. If you have money, you can go foreign.
And if you don't have money,
if you don't have money, you can never explore yourself. You are not able to visit anywhere. If you have money, you can purchase. If you have money, you can purchase a novel book, and you can read that book and develop your maturity, grow your maturity.
T. Hurry up. T. 1, 2, 3. Hurry up, come on.
Good morning, everyone. So I am going to talk about the letter of T, technology.
Walk confidently.
In this time, technology. In this time, technology is.
Technology, yeah, of course.
Technology is day by day increasing. If we will not change ourselves, then we cannot adopt our technology, and if we cannot.
Look at him.
We cannot change ourselves. We should learn all these things, because in this time technology is increasing day by day. We should use all these things. Like here is all like bike and four-wheeler. They are like using by AI. We have to there is all things available. We have to only see it, and by in this time technology is using by AI.
M.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. The topic is M. The topic M, I have taken the M of money. Money is very important. You have money, you explore things every year, every day. And you have money, you you will take your father and your mother proud, and you will earn money, and you will be a mature person and be a very good person in your family. You will earn the respect. You have money, you will earn the respect, and
बहुत अच्छे हैं, very nice, very nice. So guys, I want to request you.
And guys, I want to request you, earn a money and be a good person and be a well settled person in your life, and be a mature person for earning up money. And
Very nice, fantastic. All right. For you is actually no. See.
Sports culture, how they increase their culture day by day, how they improve their sports
अरे
day
अभी
by
हम
day.
तो आगे गए नहीं. Yes.
So China is we should learn from the China how they improve their economic, their structure, their business.
But guys,
we
should reject all the products of Chinese.
yeah, made in China. Please reject from the China products. Don't allow.
Because our Yasasvi
our SSV,
Narendra Modi
Narendra Modi
ji said
ji said
ban all the applications.
ban all the applications.
So we